$5.
Have you seen my belly? James was here. All right, the time has come. The Charger and the Supra are finally up and running together for the first time in who knows how long. As you know, the Supra has been ready this entire time that we've been messing with the Charger and figuring out all those head gasket issues. It's finally come down to the shakedown day. Everything went well. It's working as we intended. Everything's finally tuned, ready to rip. We did some slight burnout tests. We don't want to piss off our new neighbors here. So the Charger is going to be out at an event this weekend at IAM America, and we're going to have a full recap of what's going down at IAM America. For now, enjoy these bits of the Charger and the Supra together, and we'll catch you guys later.
Okay. Come on. Steady. Steady, steady, steady. Way above the clouds, that's my plane. Working, mad, that's my name. Things I understand, that's my pain. Jan up the set, yo, that's my game. Me and them, yo, we're not the same. Mountain baby, I can't be tamed. Lifestyle mentor, riding ways, I'll rooney up them bars like rain. I come to turn up, like 1-2 flame, just burn up. Like 1-2 lesson, just learn up. Like 1-2 cash, just earn up. Like fling down the vibe, just turn up. Like 1-2 flame, just burn up. Like 1-2 lesson, just learn up. Like 1-2 cash, just earn up. Selective, selective. Everything I I do selective. Everywhere I go selective. I get the info, yeah, detective. If I chill with you and I build a Jew like dumb, no, yeah, selective. If I eat with you and I sit with you like dumb, no, yeah, selective. Selective. Everything I do selective. Everywhere I go selective. I get the info, yes, detective. If I chill with you and I build a Jew like dumb, no, yeah, selective. If I eat with you and I sit with you like dumb, no, yeah, selective. Yeah, okay. Don't make it one cause it's not a thing. We do this normal things. The lifestyle, yeah, that normal brings. But really, yeah, there's no such thing. When the moment's gone, moment stings. Moment gone, it brings. Selective, yeah, all my time it's a normal thing. Selective. Everything I do selective. Everywhere I go selective. I get the info, yeah, detective. If I chill with you and I build a Jew like dumb, no, yeah, selective. If I eat with you and I sit with you like dumb, no, yeah, selective. Everything I do selective. Everywhere I go selective. I get the info, yes, detective. If I chill with you and I build a Jew like dumb, no, yeah, selective. If I eat with you and I sit with you like dumb, no, yeah, selective. Come on.
All right, we're out here at IAM America. The cars are staged front and center, so we're ready to get the show started. I am a judge today. I don't know what category yet, so we're going to go ahead and meet up in the staff meeting and figure that out. But for now, let's get started to the show. All right, we're out here at IAM America. Let's get started and get to see the rest of the show. So I'm going to go ahead and try to pick my top favorites, and so is Ellie. Right? Yeah. Okay. What about that one? No, not that one. That one.
Yeah.
What about that one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Favorites?
No.
Which one?
The orange.
Oh, not that one? No? Okay. Let's go pick your favorite. Okay, you go.
Emmy, come on, Dad. Dad. Alex, come on.
Alright, so that's going to do it for this event at IAM America, and it's been a crazy turnout. Beautiful cars, beautiful display of vendors, competitors, spectators, and just some gems that I've never seen before, and it's awesome to see these types of cars out here. I really enjoyed it, and it was a great time. I really hope that this really catches on and Tommy's able to do more events in North America, because it'd be awesome to be out there and support him and his mission with all these beautiful cars that we're able to join together that you don't usually see together. You don't see lowriders with the tuners, you don't see Europeans with the supercars, with the Chevys and the hot rods and the EV converted cars. One of my favorites is actually these two, this ramp truck and this Chevy behind me that just had an amazing engine bay, amazing finish work, panel fitment. The quality of craftsmanship on these two items is just absolutely insane. This has been a hell of an event. Again, huge thank you to Tommy and the whole IAM America crew, Mickey, Vinny, everybody that came out and judged and helped out set up this event. Thank you guys, and thank you for having me and Just Driven be a part of this. See you guys later. Valve open or closed? Exhaust.
Well, we should take it, right?
I'm gonna see on startup which one's closed.
Okay, so just take your time and. So tight.
Why is it? What could it be?
It was good for a little while, but then you know when you were stopping and going, I mean it's hot.
It's hard to figure.
It's really hot. Yeah, too many lights around. It's getting high, but that's the problem over there. Are they gonna have it like running forever? You know.
The water wetter is brown?
It turns it, because it goes in orange, and then once it's mixed and goes through the block, it turns brown. Really? It's brown on my pipe. I never noticed it. Where are you going? Come back. Start talking. Bye. To check them out firsthand in person, finally together. The shakedown on the.
Hey, your Uber Eats arrived, dude.
I don't need any more.
I already paid him, so you owe me $25.
Have you seen my belly?
I paid $20 for those. What the?
I paid nothing and just ate them.
Wait.
Well,
Clearly, there's been a mix-up somewhere. There's
Clearly,
several
James has been here. James was here. James was here. And these are like candy, not even donuts, dude.
All right, continue.
Thank
Where
you.
you were, sir.
Thank you.
Dogs are here, so I don't know if you want to give it a minute.
Dogs are here. Dogs are here. Dags. You like dags?
Dags. What?
Yeah, dogs.
Dags. You like dags? Oh, dogs. Sure. I like dags.
Oh my God. World's longest walkout. The time has come. The charge. Where are you going? The fuck? I don't care. Dan didn't want me to use you. We see you at IAM America. Blah, blah, blah. Dan, you.
Where is Dan?
I can hear his dumb face over there.
Ooh, look at that sick GTI. Wait a second. We gotta.
Like legit fanny pack?
My goodness. Oh, yeah, sort of.
Dude, you need a Hawaiian shirt.
I know, right?